Mount Cook. I'd first read about it in my class 9 geography book, and today we'll set our foot on top of it. Our journey to the summit will be on a helicopter. Are you excited as we are? Then let's go. Our stay in New Zealand till now has been a fantastic one, with trips to Lord of the Rings movie set in Hobbiton, experiencing natural geysers in Rotorua, and a glimpse into the Maori culture. In case you have missed the previous videos, do watch it and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Our first destination in New Zealand was Auckland in the North Island. Our next destination is in the South Island, Queenstown. Situated in the Southern Alps, a town renowned for adventure sports like bungee jumping to whitewater rafting. There are endless trails to hike and bike, runs to ski, and mountains to climb. Or travel to Milford Sound and cruise through the fjords on a scenic boat cruise, or as we are doing, a helicopter ride to the tip of Mount Cook.
Milford Sound himself. They get between.
We are currently on a bus arranged by Cheeky Kiwi Travel from where we have booked a helicopter tour. The price of this once in a lifetime experience that includes the helicopter ride is 729 New Zealand dollars per head. I've shared the link of the travel agency in the description from where you can find all the tour related details. On our way, we saw this herd of sheep. Aren't they absolutely adorable? A quick stop at the Lake Pukaki to enjoy this serene view. It is one of the bluest lakes and is stunningly framed by the backdrop of Mount Cook and the Southern Alps. Alright, we have reached the flying zone. Very soon, one of those helicopters resting on the tarmac will be flying and we'll be inside it. The excitement is palpable as you can see. The time has arrived. Without much ado, let's hop on. enjoy this picturesque view of snow-capped mountains while we glide through the Southern Alps. Let me tell you some interesting facts on Mount Cook. Euraki, as the locals call it, Mount Cook is the highest mountain peak in New Zealand. Its height is 3,724 meters, not as tall as Mount Everest, but let me tell you, it's not an easy climb to the top. Since the early 20th century, around 80 people have been fatally injured attempting to climb the mountain, making it New Zealand's deadliest peak. Sir Edmund Hillary made his first ascent in January 1948. Yes, the same person to climb to the top of Mount Everest. Do you remember when he achieved that feat? Let us know in the comments. The first known ascent was on 25th of December 1894 when New Zealanders Tom Fife, John Michael Clark and George Graham reached the summit via the Hooker Valley and the North Ridge.
Seems we have begun our descent, and a pilot, Ben, is trying to find a sweet spot. It gets extremely slippery to walk on top of these snow-covered peaks. Let's see if we are able to land here. And touchdown. The moment has finally arrived to set our foot on top of Mount
Sit
Cook.
at the table, the lunches, cheers. Spend an hour up here just chilling. Yeah, it's possible. Yeah. It's a separate.
I am absolutely lost for words to describe this feeling. Please tell us how you are feeling looking at these shots.
Really, I could spend the whole day here.
I bought some.
Here I was discussing with Ben about rugby, cricket, and his passion for flying. Also, his liking to Indian food.
So, উঠে গেছে উঠেছে উঠেছে
Yeah. Ready? One,
Yeah.
2, 3.
With a heavy heart, it's time to leave the peak of Mount Cook and begin our return journey. Enjoy these breathtaking scenes of Southern Alps. We bid a final adieu to our pilot Ben for a truly memorable ride and to the helicopter disappearing into the clear blue skies of Southern Alps. With that, we conclude our video. Next episode, we'll be going to Milford Sound on a cruise ship. So stay tuned for that. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel if you enjoyed our content. Till then, travel, stay safe and healthy, and we'll see you again in our next vlog.